In this tutorial, I will show you how to check your grades online through eLearning. Every course has a link on the left-hand menu called My Grades. Clicking on this link will show you a list of all the grades that are currently visible to students inside your course. Grades that are submitted but waiting on a grade from your instructor or your TA will have a yellow exclamation mark. Grades that are visible will show a score out of a certain amount of points. If your instructor has offered you feedback, a blue chat button will appear next to your score. Click on it to view the feedback. When clicking on the title of an assignment, it will bring you to your submission. But if you click on the title of a test in the My Grades tab, eLearning will bring you to a test information page, where you might be able to see your test score and test questions. Please note, the visibility you see in tests depends completely on whether or not your instructor allows you to see this information, so it might be different from course to course. Thank you.